The next problem we're going to examine is number 23 in 7C. And this is the basis for the gambler's fallacy. And the gambler's fallacy is, oh gee, I've been playing a long time and I've lost so many times, I'm due for a win, okay? Or, I'm on a winning streak, I will continue that winning streak. And then that's not true, and then you lose, okay? So, this problem says that for every head that you toss in 100 tosses, you get $1. For every tail that you toss in that same 100 tosses, you lose $1. Okay, so the first problem says that you get 46 heads. Well, for 100 tosses, that means you have 54 tails. Okay, so that's your total of 100. So right now, you gained $46, but you've lost 54, so you are down $8. Okay, what percentage of heads did you get? Well, this is 46 out of 100. That's obviously 46%, no problem. Okay, the B part says, suppose you toss the coin 200 more times and you get heads 47% of that time. Okay, heads 47% in 200 tosses. Well, you have to ask yourself, what is 47% of 200? Convert your 47 to a decimal and multiply it by 200. Remember, moving it 2, and you get 94 heads. And that would be how many tails? 106. Okay? So for this, you now want to say that was 200 tosses, but now we want a total. So at this point we have 140 heads and 160 tails. There's your 300. What percentage are you throwing of heads? 140 over 300. The 100 plus 200. 140 over 300 is, I don't know, you'll have to do that for me. Okay. And are you up or down money? Well, now you're down $20. So you're on a losing streak. Okay. The C problem says, how many heads would you need in the next 100 tosses in order to break even at 400, okay? So we're going to toss 100 more times, okay? And what we want is these two to be even at that 400. So to be even, I would have to have 200 heads and 200 tails, okay? I'm tossing 100 more times, so that would give me 60 heads to make that 200, and 40 tails to make that 200, okay? I don't think they asked for that, so we'll ignore that. And then at this point, we made $200, we lost $200, okay? So the question is, that's all the work. So the question is, how likely is this scenario? We've lost, okay? We're at 46%, we're at, I don't know, 40-something percent, 40-something, you can do that for me. Okay, here we would be at 50%. You know, I think we do need that number. Let me do it real quickly. We've got 46.6%. 46.6. Okay, so 46%, 46.6%, and now 50%. How likely is that? Probably not. It is not likely that just because you've lost, you now are going to win because you're due. Okay? So, don't play the slots, don't play craps, don't play roulette or blackjack. Okay, so that's it for 4C. I think you should be sending me questions. I haven't received very many, and they've been very specific questions, so I've answered those to the people that asked them. If you have a question, you need to email me or call me. I gave you my cell phone. I'll give it to you again. It's 303-748-6812. Okay? Your quiz is on 7B, which was the previous assignment. This quiz will be a week from Wednesday. Okay? And I've changed the criteria for the quizzes. You can use open notes, open book, open brain, open internet. You can use anything you want on the quizzes. It says that specifically on the quiz. So you will receive your quiz either Wednesday night or Thursday morning. It's due back to me on Sunday night at 6 o'clock. Okay? I'm going to be sending a few new rules for taking these, for submitting these papers to me, okay? Because I've learned quite a bit. Well, that's it. This is Wednesday's lesson. I will answer these questions if you have any the following Monday. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. And I'll talk with you later. Bye.